Hi everybody, this is Luis Hess of Hess Law. I am giving you a live update about some changes that you may have heard of today. First on the list is the new travel ban that will be going into effect this Friday. President Trump has announced that beginning on Friday at midnight, he will be banning any type of travel from Europe, excluding British nationals or people in Britain from coming to the U.S. But there are a couple of caveats with that wasn't uh, well described in the announcement today. The travel ban from people returning from Europe will only apply to people who are residents, green card holders here in the United States, and people holding non-immigrant visas. So anybody holding a tourist visa, a work visa, a student visa, even a green card will be prohibited from coming back to the United States for up to 30 days beginning on Friday at midnight. The travel ban does not apply to U.S. citizens or their families. So there's a little bit of a caveat with that. Nonetheless, that is something that if you are concerned about, you should be giving us a call and we'll be happy to talk to you more about it in detail. The second big announcement that occurred earlier today and that many people might have missed is the fact that the Supreme Court is still allowing the Remain in Mexico policy to continue. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, President Trump had instituted a policy about a year ago where if you're applying for asylum and we're trying to cross the border, you would be sent back to Mexico to wait for your hearing or waiting for your proceedings to take place in the United States. About several weeks ago, the Ninth Circuit struck down the policy. However, it was stayed, and as of today, the Supreme Court has put a ban or moratorium on striking down the law or the policy, the better way to say it. And what will end up happening is the Supreme Court will make a decision whether or not the Remain in Mexico policy is constitutional or unconstitutional beginning sometime in the fall. More likely than not, the decision will be dropped somewhere before or after the elections. Can't quite say when it will that be decided, but that was one of the major news items that was lost today during all the news of different events such as the rodeo Houston being canceled. So to recap, there is a travel ban that will be coming into effect on Friday at midnight that apply to European nationals except British nationals, and that is only applying to people with a non-immigrant visa or a green card. They will not be permitted to come to the United States for 30 days, but it does not apply to Americans. And the Remain in Mexico policy program will continue to be in effect for the next for at least the foreseeable future until the Supreme Court rules on it. Got any questions about either policy or either announcement, please give us a call at 281-205-8540. Thank you.